Have you ever wondered that how much should be your travel budget? It's summers, and in India we do plan a lot of travels and holidays in the month of April, May, June, July. So if you are wondering how much should you spend on a family vacation, or if you are single, then how much is an ideal amount to spend for your vacations? Hi, my name is Taresh Bhatia and I'm a certified financial planner. What I want to tell you is that research has proven to be having an effective financially accounted for budget for your travels or vacations is around 5% of your annual family income, or maximum of 10% of your family annual income. A lot of times you wonder that if I want to go for a bigger vacation, let's say from India to US for 15 days, and it may cost this much for so many family members, then you should ask yourself or your family members that we are going to exceed the 5 or 10% which Taresh has said. So should we plan for it next year or maybe later on after 2 or 3 years, so that it does not come as a sudden or a heavy budget or an over expenditure realization after you come back and the big fun goes missing because there is huge amount to be paid. How do you solve this? Well, I did visit USA alone in 2008 and 9, and I wanted to take my family there. I made plans for the next 10 odd years, and in the year 2017 I was able to take my family to USA for about 3 weeks, a planned vacation, but mind you, it was planned about 10 years back. The budget was made and we were very happy that we could spend that kind of an amount. So go by that, understand, enjoy your holidays, and never be repenting that you did over expenditure. May you have an excellent travel or vacations this summer. Thank you. This is Taresh Bhatia.